Let me show you how I made this smooth animation. First, open your Canva app and choose video templates and choose blank. So once you do this, adjust the timing to 2.5 seconds and change the background color to gradient, a gradient color. So you can just use any color of your choice. If you prefer solid colors, no problem. So after choosing these two colors that I wanted to combine, so just go ahead and choose them. And then next thing you have to do is to add your images. Just click on the gallery app and add your images. Remove the background by selecting FX Effect, the BG remover. So if you don't have this, because it's applicable for those with Canva Pro, so if you don't have this, what you have to do is just to use the circle frame to do this, to add your images, and it will still come out the same. So adjust the first one to be bigger than the second, and then the second one should just go up, but not actually off the page. So it should show a little bit of it. Then once you're done with this, I added some elements, which is my strawberries. So you have to go to Canva, the elements, and then search for strawberry, and then add in your strawberries. You can use the free ones or the pro version, depending if you have the pro version of the Canva or the free Canva. So adjust these elements that you added, make it to be very, very small to suit what you want to do. So just play around with this till you are satisfied with them. So once you're done adjusting, next thing you have to do is to add in your text. So I added my text, my fonts combination, which was Talk to Us. That's the one I selected, and then I started editing it. I ungrouped it, and then this Talk to Us, I changed it to Strawberry Smoothie. So you can change it to whatever you want, depending on what you are designing. So adjust it to suit what the page, increasing or decreasing the font size depending on what you're designing as well. So once you're done, duplicate that particular page by clicking on the page and then duplicate it. Do the same adjustment, do the same editing as you did in the first one. Bringing in that first image that was hidden, bring it out. Now resize it to be the same size with that first one that you did that is very big. After resizing this, you have to delete the previous one. How you delete it is by going to layers and then click on that one that I previously made big and then delete it. Once you're okay with that, adjust your text. So what I did on this text was to write kiwi this time around. Also, you have to import your second image this time around that is very small. Remove the background, don't forget that. And then place it above, just like you did in the previous page. Then you have to duplicate this and also continue to make it like this for the next how many pages you want. Even if you want 10 pages, this is the same way you go about all of them. Just duplicate the page and then make your editing, duplicate and make your editing. So I needed 4 pages for this. And then once I was done with everything I needed, click on this plus sign, click on transition, and then the transition we'll be using is match and move. So look for the transition, match and move. And once you click on it, apply it to in between all pages. So click on that apply between all pages, and then we are good to go. Just click on this play sign and then you start seeing your video as it should be. If this was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.